So I have been waiting so long to do this video. This is gonna be a luxury apartment, empty apartment tour. And the reason why I waited so long for this is because I actually been manifesting this apartment for so long. One of my goals when I moved to Atlanta was I wanted to be able to live in a luxury apartment. I wanted to live downtown, as you can hear sirens going off right now. I wanted to live downtown in a nice loft or a high rise. I didn't know which one I wanted at first, but I ended up getting a loft. And I'm so excited to show you guys around. This is the empty apartment tour. We haven't put any furniture at all. We literally just got the keys today. There's nothing in here, so let me show you guys around. Okay, so this is the view when you first walk in. It's a little dark, but this is the kitchen. That's my backpack, but this is the kitchen, and this is the refrigerator. This is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. But this is the kitchen here, and the one thing I love about this apartment is that it has so much storage. So when you first walk in, you have this storage closet here. And then this is the living area. So this is actually gonna be big enough for us to put a dining room table. So I'm thinking that we're gonna put a dining room table here. We also have this breakfast bar here. And this is gonna be like a little bar area. We'll probably put all our alcoholic beverages and then some more storage down here. And then this is probably going to be where we put the dining room table, and then this will be the living area. So this apartment has two living areas. It has one upstairs and downstairs. Filming room. So I have all my filming stuff over here. I haven't put it up yet, but this is going to be my filming room. This is really like a second bedroom, but since it's just us two, this is going to be my space. And it also has a closet here. And this room is going to be great. I'm going to film all my fitness videos. This is a office space. So this is like a half of a room or a third of a room. But this is going to be my office. This is where I'm going to get work done. So this is going to be filming. This is going to be actual work. And I'll probably put a desk in here. It is really dark in here, but yeah. And it also has a closet, a little mini closet. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt this video, but I just wanted to let you know that my Curves on Keto 3-day meal plan and the Curves on Keto beginner's guide is now available. The link is in the description. So the Curves on Keto beginner's guide is everything you need to start the keto diet the right way. And the 3-day meal plan is a 3-day guide to get you in ketosis in 3 to 5 days. So I just wanted to let all my beauties know that it is now available for purchase, and the link is in the description. So this is the guest bathroom downstairs, and it has full-size tub, really nice vanity mirrors here, and lots of storage. Our last apartment had literally no storage. So our last apartment literally had no storage at all. Like, it was literally like our house was becoming so cluttered because we just didn't have any storage. So having an apartment with storage was one of the main things why I wanted this particular floor plan. So now we're gonna go upstairs to the second loft area. So upstairs, and then we have this loft area here. So this whole area is like a second living room. So this is gonna be LT's space. Well, not all his space, but this is where he's gonna put like his office. His office is gonna be up here. He's probably gonna put a desk there, and then here's where we put the TV, and then probably gonna put the couch right here. This space, I don't know what this is gonna be. It's gonna be just space. But this is our bedroom. So our bedroom is kind of small, and it's really dark in here. But bedroom is small. We did sacrifice the bedroom for having this floor plan. We probably won't be able to fit much in here, but we do have 2 closets. So this will be my closet. This is his closet, but the bathroom is really nice. So this is the bathroom. We have his and her sinks, a really big vanity mirror, which I love, lots and lots of storage. And we have a tub, which we both love to take bubble baths. And now we have a big size tub where we can take bubble baths together. And then we have a shower. So we have the tub and the shower. And then we also have more storage in here, which I love. So, and these closets are nice size closets. So these closets are really nice size. This is gonna be my closet. And this is going to be his closet. And there's also another full-size closet in the guest room that's gonna be my filling room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. Like I said, guys, I literally manifested this apartment. I put this apartment on my vision board, and I just always envisioned myself living in downtown Atlanta in a really nice luxury apartment, and I literally just manifested everything. Look, when I first came to Atlanta, I could not afford to live in a place like this. I could barely afford to pay my rent when I first moved to Atlanta. If you guys don't know, I was in the military. I was active duty in the military for 6 years, and when I got out, my whole purpose was to just be my own boss. And I have not had a job since I got out the military, and you know, since I've been in Atlanta, I've just been making it happen, building my brand, and now I have a very established fitness brand, like a online coaching, personal trainer, influencer brand. And with that, I'm able to afford to live here. Now, I'm not living here by myself, of course. My fiance is living here, and of course we're sharing the expenses. But even with that, I wouldn't be able, when I first moved to Atlanta, I could not afford to live here. And I remember first moving here, I have a friend who used to live in these apartments, and I remember coming over here to her place and be like, man, this is so nice. I wonder what it's like to live here. And originally I was supposed to move here. We were actually supposed to move to a high-rise, a condo, closer to the Midtown area. And we found this place for pretty much the same price, but with a lot more space. So we decided to move here instead of getting the high-rise apartment. But, you know, I remember coming here and thinking, man, I would love to live here. It seems such a nice, you got everything here. Everything is so nice. And like I said, guys, I made it happen. So just anyone out there who is having the same type of ambitions and goals, and you want to live that lifestyle, just keep going. Go for it. Don't let no one tell you what you can and cannot do. I had so many people to doubt me and, you know, told me not to get out the military and to go get a job. And I said, you know what, no, I'm not going to get a job. I'm going to make the sacrifices and to be my own boss, and I did. So it's possible, guys. So just keep going, okay? Just keep going, don't stop. Thank you for watching this video. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed this tour, if you like this apartment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.